Mitt Romney has surfaced, and I've got 23 seconds of video for you that are absolutely shocking, appalling, hilarious, entertaining, and titillating for all of us, Lewis. On Sunday, failed Republican candidate for president Mitt Romney showed up on Chris Wallace's Fox News Sunday show. And not surprisingly, one of the topics of discussion was the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, etc. Now, remember, Romney Care in Massachusetts, where we lived, Lewis, when Mitt Romney was governor, is very similar to Obamacare in many ways, including its inclusion of this individual mandate, which says you must have valid or qualifying health coverage, or you have to pay a fine based on, which can vary depending on your income. And Mitt Romney goes on and says the following to Chris Wallace.
Well, it's not just that the president tells people that they have to buy health insurance. It's that he tells them what health insurance they have to buy. The idea that the government knows better than the American people what kind of insurance they have to have makes no sense. And it's something which I think the American people are rejecting in large numbers. And I think it's going to hurt the president and hurt the country and a lot of families.
Lewis, his only positive accomplishment that stands out in my mind was overseeing, putting in place the exact system at the state level that President Obama has put in place at the federal level in terms of the individual mandate. And Mitt Romney goes on and he tells Chris Wallace that it's bad that Barack Obama did the exact same thing he did in Massachusetts.
Yeah, and it's certainly not the first time. He's said it many times. And for some reason, he thinks when asked why he says this, considering he did the same thing, he says, oh, no, you can only do it at the state level. Doesn't work at the federal level, blah, blah, blah. It should be up to the states. And
which is completely arbitrary, and it's not a valid argument. The other kind of counterpoint he tries to make is, no. I did the individual mandate, but people weren't forced to buy so-called gold-plated or Cadillac insurance plans. But President Obama hasn't done that either. President Obama has simply said that the really terrible plans that provide almost no benefits are going to be ruled out. But the distinction that Mitt Romney is trying to draw between what he did in Massachusetts and what President Obama did federally is so different. The distinction really doesn't exist. The revisionist history has to stop, Lewis.
It's not just with healthcare. It's all over the place.
Make sure to check out davidpakman.com/half14. If you've been thinking of becoming a supporter of this program, check it out. You can get your first month of membership at half price or get your first year of membership at 33% off. That's davidpakman.com/half14. And one of the great membership benefits is you get to watch or listen to the bonus show hosted and produced by producer Lewis. Let's take a break. We'll be back after this.